Most freelancers are stuck in a cycle, working way too much, earning way too little. Why? Because they haven't figured out how to automate. If your business only makes money when you're glued to your laptop, let's be honest, you don't really own a business. You've built yourself a one-person prison. I know that feeling. It's exhausting. But here's the good news. You can break out. In the next 12 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to escape. You'll learn how to automate your freelancing so you can scale your income, work fewer hours, and still give your clients the personal touch they actually value. Stick with me, because I'm about to share the real-life systems, tools, and step-by-step strategies a US-based freelancer used to jump from $1,000 a month to $10,000 a month. This is the playbook you can start using today. Ready to break free? Let's dive in. Let's pause for a moment and get to the heart of what freelancing automation truly means. Automation isn't about cutting people out. It's about freeing your mind from 1,000 tiny, also repetitive decisions and endless manual tasks. It's the secret ingredient that lets you earn steadily without burning yourself out. For freelancers, this is where real transformation begins. Automation means building simple, powerful systems for finding clients, delivering your work, and keeping in touch. So your income is no longer handcuffed to your constant attention. Most freelancers end up exhausted, not because they aren't talented, but because they're stuck trading time for money with nothing to give them any leverage. Think about it. They're constantly chasing down leads, writing every proposal from scratch, answering the same onboarding questions again and again, and recreating deliverables for each new client. Meanwhile, income feels like a roller coaster, up one month, down the next. All that manual effort keeps you running in place. It's a treadmill that blocks your growth and makes it impossible to truly scale. But here's the good news. Automation is your exit door. It's the way out of this cycle. So you can finally build something sustainable and free yourself from the daily grind. Systemized earning is where everything truly shifts. It's about taking all those tasks you do over and over, writing proposals, onboarding clients, delivering your services, and turning them into simple, reliable systems. That might mean using templates, creating step-by-step guides, SOPs, setting up automation tools, or building out predictable ways to bring in revenue. Once you start systemizing how you earn, everything changes. Suddenly, your business becomes something you can measure, grow, and repeat. You're no longer just hustling day to day. You're finally running your business like a real business, with the freedom and stability that come with it. Automating client acquisition is a game changer. It means you can have a steady stream of leads without having to chase every single one yourself. Imagine this. Automated follow-up emails that keep you top of mind. Lead magnets like a helpful guide or checklist that gently invite people into your world. And LinkedIn workflows that connect you with the right people. You've got ready-to-go templates for Upwork proposals and outreach tools that send personalized messages. So you're reaching out, but never spamming. This isn't about blasting strangers with generic pitches. It's about setting up a system you can trust, one that brings in quality leads, consistently and respectfully. For many US-based freelancers, a great setup looks like this. Someone grabs your lead magnet, fills out a quick Google form, gets entered into your CRM, receives automated follow-up emails, and can book a call straight onto your calendar. That simple flow can easily double the number of leads you get each month, all without you constantly hustling for attention. Service delivery automation is where your craft evolves from a daily grind into something elegant and repeatable. It's about capturing your best work and processes, the way you onboard clients, manage projects, and deliver results, and turning them into clear, simple systems. Maybe you build step-by-step SOPs in Notion, set up project templates in Trello, or use AI tools like ChatGPT to help you produce first drafts quickly. Instead of reinventing the wheel for every client, you create standardized packages. No more scrambling to offer something unique every time. And with tools like Zapier, simple automations can handle those boring, repetitive tasks for you. The magic here is that your work gets done faster, cleaner, and at a higher level without you working harder. This is how you start to create true leverage, freeing up your time, producing more consistent results, and opening the door to passive income streams like selling templates or productized services. When you systemize your service delivery, you're not just getting more efficient, you're building a business that can grow beyond your own hours, effort, and energy. That's where real freedom begins. Communication automation is about staying present for your clients without being chained to your inbox all day. Picture this: new inquiries get an instant auto reply, so potential clients know you've received their message. When someone signs up, an automated onboarding flow guides them through the next steps, making everything feel smooth and professional. Your CRM sends you reminders to follow up, so nothing slips through the cracks. With Zapier or similar tools, welcome emails go out automatically, project folders are created, and kickoff calls are scheduled in the background. All of this means your clients always feel supported and in the loop. Meanwhile, you get to spend your time on the work that really matters, instead of drowning in admin tasks. Communication automation gives you back your focus, while still delivering a great experience for every client. For freelancers in the US, automation isn't just a nice to have, it's a real advantage. Clients here expect things to move quickly and to feel professional every step of the way. When you automate your proposals, onboarding, progress updates, and scheduling, you instantly boost how clients see you. Everything feels smoother, faster, and more reliable, which makes you stand out. Plus, with tools like Notion, Zapier, Trello, Google Workspace, and Tick, and even AI-powered script generators, you can shave 30 to 70% off your project time. That means less time on busy work and more focus on meaningful projects, or even taking on more clients without burning out. So, automation isn't just about getting things done faster or easier. It's the thing that sets you apart and becomes your secret weapon in a crowded market. Let's put all this into perspective with a real example. Meet Maya, a freelance marketer in Austin. Just a few months ago, Maya was making about $1,000 a month and feeling totally drained, doing everything by hand, chasing leads, writing every email from scratch, juggling endless admin. Then, Maya made a simple shift. She created one lead magnet, a helpful guide for her ideal clients, and linked it to a Google form. Whenever someone filled it out, Zapier instantly turned the submission into a Trello card and used AI to draft a personalized audit. Her CRM took over from there, sending out timely follow-ups so no opportunity slipped by. But Maya didn't stop there. She packaged her services into 3 clear, fixed-price offers, making it easy for clients to say yes. Zapier automated the onboarding. ChatGPT helped create deliverables, and LinkedIn outreach sequences ran quietly in the background, connecting her with new leads every day. 6 months later, Maya's earning $10,000 a month without adding more hours to her week. She didn't just work harder. She worked smarter, using automation to multiply her results. That's the true power of automation. It's not just about saving time. It's about transforming what's possible for freelancers like Maya. And for you, too. Here's where a lot of beginners trip up with automation. They rush to automate messy, broken processes, so all they're really doing is speeding up the chaos. Or they get excited and try to automate everything at once, which just leads to overwhelm. Sometimes, in the name of efficiency, they strip away all the human touches that make clients feel valued. And often, they forget to track what's working. So they have no idea if their new systems are actually helping. The lesson? Fix your process first. Make sure it works smoothly for you and your clients. Then, and only then, start automating. Here's what I'd tell anyone starting out, based on what really works. Pick just one task that eats up your time. Maybe it's writing proposals, onboarding new clients, or doing outreach. Don't try to fix everything at once. Just choose the one that drains you most. Next, walk through the steps and write them down. Make a simple, reusable template you can use again and again. Link a Google form to Trello using Zapier so new info gets organized automatically. Set up a basic 2-message outreach sequence. Nothing fancy, just enough to keep things moving. And try packaging one of your services with clear, fixed pricing so clients know exactly what to expect. These little steps might seem small, but they add up fast. Before you know it, you'll have real systems in place, and that's how your freelance business becomes truly scalable. Here's my challenge to you. Don't just think about automating. Actually, take the first step. Pick that one task that's draining your energy, whether it's proposals, onboarding, or outreach. Map out the process and turn it into a simple, reusable template. Hook up a Google form to Trello with Zapier and set up a basic 2-message outreach sequence. Package just one of your services with clear, fixed pricing. Start small, but start today. These little changes will build on each other, turning your daily hustle into real, scalable systems. This is your moment to break the cycle and build a business that works for you, not the other way around.